Gavin. What's the matter? Did you sneeze? Did you sneeze? I think it's funny when you sneeze. You sneeze like your grandma. Yes, you do. What? What? See? What? There's just a lot of bubbles. What are you saying? What are you saying? Say mama. We're gonna get you say mama for Aunt Mimi said mama. What, Gavin? What? What? Say it. Say it, buddy. Say it. Where are you going? What are you looking for? Daddy's not home yet. Daddy's at work. Dad'll be home in a little bit.